We are going to do all parts of question 1 in this video. So if you've already seen the first part, go ahead and skip forward to the next pieces. The first one asks about the opposite of -7. So remember, the negative shows us the opposite of a number. So if we have -7 and we're looking for its opposite, we're going to put a negative out front. So the opposite of -7, and we know that is equal to +7. The opposite of a negative is a positive. Looking at part B, which equation represents the opposite of 25? Okay, so here's 25. Here's the opposite of 25. And here's the opposite of 25. The opposite of 25 is -25. And the opposite of -25 is +25. So the opposite of the opposite is exactly what we start with. Part C asks us which equation represents the opposite of the opposite. Which equation represents the opposite of 15? So we've got 15, and then we write opposite. So the opposite of 15 is -15. And the last one, which equation represents the opposite of -36? So here is -36, and then we write its opposite. The opposite of -36 is +36.